Hi everybody. Plasma membrane. It is the outermost layer of animal cells and it lies beneath the cell wall in case of plant cell. Plasma membrane, selectively permeable membrane, present just inside the cell wall of plant cells, and in case of animal cells it is the outermost layer and binds cytoplasm and all cellular things inside it. So this acts as a boundary and it allows some things to come in and some to go out, means it has ability to restrict and allow some of the things, and accordingly we call it as a selectively permeable or semi-permeable. This nature of plasma membrane, it has important role, and how plasma membrane is structure, its structure, it is made up of what, and the details we will try to understand in this during this discussion. How to define the plasma membrane? We will try to define it as a biological membrane which is composed of two layers of phospholipids embedded with proteins. Two layers of phospholipids they are there, in which there is presence of proteins. So considering all these things, the definition once again I will tell you: a biological membrane or an outer membrane of cell which is composed of two layers of phospholipids and embedded with proteins. So on the screen you can observe here the two layers. So this is the one layer and this is the another layer, two layers of the phosphate and lipids, called it as a phospholipid, and in it the presence of proteins, so that is also there. So general model of plasma membrane is in front of you. Some more details related to the structure of plasma membrane. Just now we have seen is the boundary which separates the living cell from their non-living surrounding, or external we can say. It is bilayer of phospholipids. Plasma membrane is amphipathic, means contains both hydrophobic and hydrophilic regions. Hydrophobic and hydrophilic regions. So here hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tail, that is there. For plasma membrane, it is fluid mosaic of lipids, so it has somewhat floating ability, that is why it is called as a fluid. And it is having lipids, proteins and carbohydrates in it. This lipid bilayer, which contains two layers of phospholipids, phosphate head is polar, or we can say hydrophilic or water loving, and fatty acid tail, which is non-polar, call it as a hydrophobic or water rejecting or fearing, and the proteins are embedded in the membrane. So this is what related with the structure of plasma membrane. Then what are the components of which plasma membrane is made up of? So proteins like glycoprotein, which are used for cell recognition and acts as a receptors and antigens. Then proteins like glycolipids, which are attached to the phospholipids along with sugar chains. So glycoproteins, then glycolipids, these are the types of proteins. Then lipids, they are with short chain of carbohydrates and are attached on the extracellular side of the membrane. Phospholipid bilayer is made up of phosphate and lipids. So this create a partially permeable membrane. This nature or phospholipid bilayer, it creates the permeable membrane and allows certain substances to diffuse through the membrane. One more component of plasma membrane is cholesterol, which maintains the fluidity of cell membrane. Fluidity of cell membrane. So proteins present in the membrane helps in providing support and shape to the cell. So three types of proteins, they are there in the plasma membrane. Cell membrane receptor protein, then transport protein, and then glycoprotein. These three different types of proteins, they are present in the plasma membrane. Cell membrane receptor protein helps in communication of cell with their external environment with the help of hormones or other signaling molecules or neurotransmitters. Another type of protein, that is transport protein, which helps in transporting molecules across cell membrane through the facilitated diffusion process. And third type, that is the glycoprotein, helps for cell to cell communication. So these are different types of proteins present in the plasma membrane, and their functions we have seen. What are the functions of plasma membrane? So plasma membrane actually separates contents of cell from its outside environment, and it regulates what enters and what exits the cell. This is the important use. Second, it has its main role in protecting the integrity of the interior of the cell by allowing selected substances into the cell and keeping other substances out. Third importance of plasma membrane is it serves as base of attachment for cytoskeleton in some organisms and the cell wall in other organisms. Means cell membrane supports the cell and helps in maintaining the shape of the cell even. Cell membrane gives the flexibility even, we can say, due to the lipids present in the membrane. Proteins also monitor and maintain cell's chemical climate and assist in transfer of molecules across the membrane. Lastly, we will see about characteristics of membrane, this plasma membrane. It is made up of two layers of phospholipids. It has many proteins embedded in it. It regulates entry and exit of particular substances in the cell. Proteins present in the plasma membrane acts as pumps or channels, receptors, or as enzyme or as structural components. So in all, we have seen the details of plasma membrane. So each living cell of the organism is having this membrane, plasma membrane, and I have told you it is the outermost layer in case of animal cells, while it is just beneath the cell wall in case of plant cells. So try to prepare notes and think over how the multiple choice questions can be asked in the examination. In support for better understanding, I have given you one of the video. So you go through that video. In addition, some of the multiple choice questions I will provide, and by using all these things you can prepare this concept, that is of plasma membrane, in a better manner. Okay.